Now that you know what the Nvidia Summer of RTX Sweepstakes is all about, you might be wondering how to enter and what are the eligibility criteria. Well, it's very simple and straightforward. All you have to do is follow these steps. 1. Visit the official website of the sweepstakes at www.nvidia.com/summerofreaks and fill out the online entry form with your name, email address, country of residence, and date of birth. 2. Agree to the official rules and privacy policy of the sweepstakes and submit your entry. 3. You will receive a confirmation email with a unique code that you need to keep for verification purposes. 4. Repeat this process every week until August 31st, 2023 to increase your chances of winning. You can enter once per week per email address. That's it! You have successfully entered the Nvidia Summer of RTX Sweepstakes, and you are now eligible to win one of the amazing prizes. But wait, there's more. There are some additional requirements and restrictions that you need to be aware of before you enter. Here they are. You must be at least 18 years old or the age of majority in your country of residence, whichever is higher, to enter the sweepstakes. You must be a legal resident of one of the following countries: United States, Canada, excluding Quebec, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Netherlands, Finland, Norway, Sweden, Poland, Spain, Italy, Australia, or New Zealand. You must have a valid email address and internet access to enter the sweepstakes. You must not be an employee, agent, or representative of Nvidia Corporation or any of its affiliates, subsidiaries, partners, or sponsors, or any of their immediate family members or household members. You must not use any automated means or methods to enter the sweepstakes, such as bots, scripts, macros, or other devices. Any attempt to do so will result in disqualification and possible legal action. You must comply with all applicable laws and regulations in your country of residence and agree to release Nvidia Corporation and its affiliates from any liability arising from your participation in the sweepstakes. These are the main eligibility criteria and rules that you need to follow to enter the Nvidia Summer of RTX Sweepstakes. For more details and information, please refer to the official rules and privacy policy on the website. Remember, the sweepstakes ends on August 31st, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time, so don't miss this opportunity to win a free RTX 4060 or 4060 Ti from Nvidia this summer. Good luck! The RTX 4060 and 4060 Ti are the latest graphics cards from Nvidia that offer amazing performance and features for gamers and creators. These cards are based on the Ampere architecture, which delivers faster ray tracing, higher frame rates, and more realistic graphics than ever before. The RTX 4060 has 8GB of GDDR6 memory and 3,584 CUDA cores, while the RTX 4060 Ti has 12GB of GDDR6 memory and 4,096 CUDA cores. Both cards support PCIe 4.0, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4a, as well as Nvidia's exclusive technologies such as DLSS, Reflex, Broadcast, and Studio. With DLSS, you can enjoy up to 2x faster performance in games that support it, by using AI to boost the resolution and quality of your images. With Reflex, you can reduce the latency and improve your responsiveness in competitive games. With Broadcast, you can enhance your streaming and video calls with AI-powered noise removal, background blur, and face tracking. And with Studio, you can accelerate your creative workflows with optimized drivers and apps. The RTX 4060 and 4060 Ti are also designed to be power efficient and cool running, thanks to their advanced cooling system and dual axial fans. They have a TDP of 170W and 200W respectively, and require a minimum of a 550W or 650W power supply. If you want to experience the next level of gaming and creativity, you don't want to miss this chance to win a free RTX 4060 or 4060 Ti from Nvidia this summer. Stay tuned for more details on how to enter this giveaway and get ready to unleash your potential with these amazing graphics cards.